Let's make a toy with another type of the body. We've made the head in the first part, hands and legs in the second part, and now we take two legs and we start to crochet the body. We join the thread on the first leg, make 2 chains, a slip stitch on the second leg and a chain. And this is the beginning of the round, and there are 2 loops between the legs. And now we make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 single crochets on the first leg, 2 single crochets between the legs, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 on the second leg and 2 single crochets between the legs, 1, 2, a slip stitch in the first loop of the round and a chain. Now we have 22 loops in the round, and we make the next 9 rounds without changes for 22 single crochets in each round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, a slip stitch, a chain, and we continue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 20, 21, 22, a slip stitch and a chain. We've made 10 rounds of the body, and in the 11th round we'll make 4 decreases. 1 single crochet, 2, 3. Then we make decrease, 1 single crochet, decrease, 1, 2, 3, and repeat 1, 2, 3, decrease, 1 single crochet, decrease, 1, 2, 3, a slip stitch, a chain, and leave the long end of the thread to sew the body to the head. And add fiber fill. And now let's sew the hands to the body. Add more fiber fill, and now we sew the body to the head. we fix the thread and hide it inside the toy. And our toy is ready. I would be happy to see your toys. There is the link in the description of this video. Send me the photos and thank you for attention. Have a nice day.